Hey y'all, it's Crystal from Crafty Sides Reads Some More. Look what I found at Hobby Lobby. This one is the Farmhouse. It has these different of the paper sheets in it. It has the letters. Look at these cute little, I'm going to use for ornaments, but you can use for different things. And then these are stickers. And there's also the little lumberjack. Look how adorable these are, y'all. It's got so much in it. I'm super excited. And you can get the Paper Studio like 50% off at different times. So, let's see what we can come up with. Take some of the stickers of the farmhouse, and I've taken these. There's a video on this. You can go back and look for the tumbling blocks. And these tumbling blocks, I painted them, and I just used white acrylic paint, or you can use white waver paint, or whatever color you want. Make them any color you want. You can even use stains. And this one I changed with a cherry stain and a gray stain. This I just painted black. And then I just glued them together with my hot glue gun. Used Gorilla Glue. And then you can use whatever hang you want if you have a cute little ribbon. But I used twine since it's a farmhouse look. I used staples and stapled it on to make it really secure. And then I also put some Gorilla Glue under that too. Okay, after this painted white, you see on some of these I put the sticker on. Now the 3D stickers that stick up, I went under them and I put some Gorilla Hot Glue on them so they would be a little bit more secure. Now to turn them into the farmhouse theme, I'm using, let me put this where I can see it. It's a Waverly Antique Wax. You can use brown, you can use acrylic paint, you can use edges of like a stain, whatever color you want it to be. Now I took a baby wipe. You see I've been working on this one. And I dipped it, let me get a few of these out of my way. I dipped it down in the wax. And then I took the excess and I wiped on my cardboard. And then I just went around the edges. Raise it up just there. Just went around the edges with it. You can put on as much as you like or as little as you want. It's all up to you. And I just put it on there on the edges. Like that. The edges. Then you can find you a cleaner spot on your baby wipe. I just wrapped it around my finger like that with and I wrapped it on here in a cleaner spot on here. And go back over what you just put on there. And just kind of wipe it and smear it. See how that's smearing in that? And it's taking it towards, doesn't look, it does, see it makes it look like it's older. That's an, it's antique look. Farmhouse, wore down. The look that everybody's wanting right now. And I like it too. And then I took and kind of smeared it. I even put it on the stickers. Put it smeared around. And then I like it on the back too, so it'll all match. I just put it on there. And just rub it. Now if you get it too dark in some spaces, you just take and rub it off. And if you take too much of it off, just go back and put a little bit more on. It's very forgiving. And it's a very, very easy way to get this look. And I like it. So look the difference in that. Between that and that. And then to get this to stay on here, especially with the sticker ones, you take Mod Podge, and there's a matte and a glossy. But with the farmhouse, I like to use the matte. You get these at the Dollar Tree for $1. And then I just use a foam brush. And then I just put the Mod Podge on here. That'll protect your stickers. Keep it from coming off as easy. It'll protect your paper. Protect your paint and your stain. Whatever you're using. And help it to last a little longer. Which I cute. Like the muck house. Now you don't have to leave them like this. You can also add the twine around the edges. If you got some cute little ribbon or bows, you can put little bows on there. You could use the ribbon for your hangers. You can add any kind of embellishments you want. If you're doing glitter and glue and glitzy stuff, you can add glitter and the little jewels. It's all according to the look that you're looking for and what you want. But I really, really think these are cute. I like them just like this. And you can add it however you want. Use your own ideas. That's what I love about crafting. I know I say this a lot, but it's true. But I took these stickers off of that Hobby Lobby one. Look at the little spoon and forks. Little windmills. These are so cute. Make little ornaments. Y'all, these are not just ornaments. You can set these up in your tier trays, your dobos. You can put them on, don't put the hangers on them, and just use them like a 3D effect on your photo frames. Anything you're making, these can be just little extras. You could make some and have them set back in a box, and then when you're making something, some kind of a craft, drag that out and just add it on there. It's just an extra plus. And pluses are what makes things pop sometimes. Some of these stickers were bigger than these. You'd have to have bigger frames like this one, bigger ornaments, because this one was longer, so it took 4, and these other were 3. Now on these shapes, I took 3 and then I put 1 across the top to actually add extra stability to it. But you can add any color. And then with these round ones on the lumberjack, I'm going to put them on my metal tin. But I love this lumberjack with the deers and the bears and the wolves and the coons, and just there's so many different directions you can go with this. And what I love about these stickers, this is a white paper in the back. But look, they're clear. See-through. I love that. See the white here. And then, look, these peel right off. I love boards clear like this. And then get this off. 2 little axes. Now, how cute is that? For the log thing. Now you could put it there and then put a word across the top, add to it, put somebody's name across the top, or you can just put this in the center. It's whatever you want to do. But I think I'm going to put it right there because I may add a word to the top of this. Thinking seriously about it. And I like it. Look at there. And then go back with my ink. Thanks. My husband just peeked his head in the door. Hi, Daryl. You say hi?
Hi.
Hey, look. So many ideas. And the lumberjack. You could put this on just the white. Can I see? Look how cute that is. If you're really adventurous, you could put him a face on there too. Or paint the face on them, put the sticker on over top of it, and it'll show through the clear. But look how cute that is. I love trying these, and I love making new things, new ideas. And I was so tickled when I saw these Hobby Lobby. There was only one on there, and the lady was stocking the shelf. So I think the Lord surely blessed me with being able to get this exactly what I needed on the cooler. And just being there at the perfect time, the perfect way. And I showed that along a live. We went to Danville, Kentucky, and went shopping around the Hobby Lobby and the Dollar Tree down there. Of course, we went a few other places too, but we had a good time, and I was so pleased. And you just look at that. Like I said, you could be adventurous, y'all, and put a face on underneath that, and then put that on under, and that clear, it would show through that. Look how cute that is. Just look. So many ways. And I love these stickers. Let's see, we put the white back under so you can see. Look at that for the farmhouse. It's the bear, the elk, the deer, the Indians, wild and free, pine cones, the tree, the Indians, discover, be brave. I love this one. And these are the little round ones. I'm going to put these on little round ornaments. Look how cute those are. Be very cute on a swag, a tier tray, ornaments on your tree. So many ideas, y'all. And I'm super excited. I was really pleased to find these. I've got a bunch of ornaments to decorate, and I'm going to work on them, and then I'll post some pics. Thank y'all for joining me.